The great man will be struck down in the day by a thunderbolt. An evil deed foretold by the bearer of a petition. According to the prediction, another falls at nighttime. Conflict at Rams, London, and pestilence in Tuscany. The first three lines may refer to the assassinations of the two Kennedy brothers. Lee Harvey Oswald assassinated John F. Kennedy in broad daylight on November 22, 1963, in Dallas, Texas. In 1968, his brother Robert F. Kennedy was assassinated in the early morning while celebrating his presidential primary election victory at a hotel. The claim that the assassination was told by a petitioner may refer to the numerous death threats received by John F. Kennedy and his brother while in office. The assassinations had global effects, as evidenced by the troubles in France, England, and Italy.